YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? We back with another video. And today, man, I'm not here to talk y'all heads off. I'm about to drive, what the fuck? But I'm about to drive to the park right now, Bella and Kalani. So I'm about to hook up the mics on my intake and my exhaust, and we about to do a mic'd up POV, man. The mics will be catching like the exhaust and the intake sound. Hopefully y'all boys like this shit, man. I've been meaning to do this shit for a while now, and I think this is a perfect opportunity for it. But I don't know, it's also raining out, so I gotta watch out for that. I don't know, there won't be any way for me to talk unless I have another mic hooked up or something. But with that being said, man, let's get into the vid. As y'all can see, man, we just pulled up. And I think y'all can hear Christian over there, bro. But anyway, man, we just pulled up to the park. Feel me? Hope y'all boys enjoyed the sound clips and shit. Feel what I'm saying? You got Bella and them over there playing with the geese and shit. We trying to steal one of the babies, chat. Let me know. Listen to this nigga shit, chat. This nigga is pulling up like a dickhead. B58, boy. B50 fucking 8, youth. If this not the most B58 shit I've ever seen in my life. This nigga fiend for the bullshit every day, man. Straight off the clock. Straight off the clock, boy.
You know what that means?
Yo, do a dig out this motherfucker. Hold on, MG. Let me catch you squat. Let me catch you squat. Yo, chat, that nigga funny as hell, man. Nigga funny as hell, man. You know what's so crazy, chat? I wasn't even gonna pull my fucking camera out today, man. I know y'all hear that shit, chat. They play in line. Yes, it.